Hello mga guys! Welcome to my vlog, Len Marie Musra. Guys, dessert ko guys, oh. 2 apples and 1 galaxy. Makaon na ako guys. Kako nga dessert. Panghimagas. Panghimagas guys. Galaxy. Kanamit. Counting you guys. Please like and follow me. Share also. Len Marie Musra. Love you all mga guys. Thank you for watching. Follow to my Instagram and my YouTube channel. Galaxy. Guys, maulan guro guys. Ay ang langit. Ay ang langit na may dudulom. The sky is, I think it will be rain. Like cloudy. The sun is the moon is shining, but it's cloudy. Tomorrow it will be rain. Namag nga kung nagayak ka. Namag. Very cold mga guys. Very cold mga guys, sagwa. Very windy. This is red apple. This is red apple. In Arabic, this is tufaha. Apple is tufaha. Small apple is giri tufaha. Is giri tufaha. Red apple. Ahmar. In Arabic, red is ahmar. Very crunchy. Ang dinner ko guys is mukbang vegetables lang guys. Love it. Paborito ko yung mga vegetables guys. Tapos ang akong nga panghimagas is Galaxy chocolate. Galaxy chocolata. So yummy. Today I have more works. OMG. Tired. So I eat vegetables, fruits, and chocolate. More ang trabaho. Kagabi guys, last night we have more guests. Tapos nag-ulit na mga 1 o'clock. Mga alauna sa kaagahon. And I felt sleepy. Ang Pinas guys, very happy na guys ang mga tao sa Pinas kay ilang tulog na lang, Christmas na. How many days left? Christmas already is coming. So yummy. Kakaon ako guys, pero natuyo ako guys. Kay agaron kami dyan, natapos ang kabisita. More guests. Ubuson ko na lang dyan ka, chocolate ang ko, half lang kaunon ko, pero ubuson mo na lang. Ay ka namin. Very yummy ang galaki. Okay mga guys. Love you all. Stay safe everyone. Very cold outside. Very windy. Inaaman Jordan with love. OFW Jordan with love. This is me, Len Marie Musra. I love you all.